took my love, took it down. I climbed a mountain and I turned around, and I saw my reflection in snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down.
Kuya Wiwik, salamat na ikaano
Oh, mirror in the sky, what is
pati kay
love?
Nini. Umuton.
Can't
May
child
problema sa
in my
solusyon.
heart rise
Responsable
above.
maray. Magluto, matibay
Can I
na
sail
sermon. Sa
through the
kanapag minsan,
changing
kutik na reply ang message mo.
ocean
Pero the
tide?
best na
Can
kuya.
I handle the
Happy
seasons
birthday.
of
Love you.
my life? Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too. Oh, I'm getting older too. Take my love, take it down. Climb a mountain and turn around. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, where the landslide bring it down. And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, well, the landslide bring it down. Oh, the landslide bring it down.
Happy birthday! Sigurado ako na lahat ng nakapaligid sa iyo ay alam kung gaano ka karesponsable at maalaga sa pamilya. At syempre, gusto kong mag-thank you dahil napaka-supportive mo kay Buboy. Ang laki ng tulong mo sa kanya at talagang appreciated namin yon. We're all lucky to have you in our lives and wish ko sa iyo good health, success, and happiness.
Hey, Daddy, wait. Mag-store ang master mo. I love you, Daddy, wait!
I love you. Is it? This life is good enough. I will live my world, and if you owe, I will give my life. You better shut your mood. You're so yeah. Under the moon, see must be emotion that I get from you. You gotta love it.
Happy birthday, Talwewek. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Padi. Wish you all the best. Salamat hanggang ngunyan. Mag-amigo pa manggiraray kita sa kaaluyan kang panahon. Hindi mo pa kami nalilingawan. Ingat permi. Ara mo na yan.
Ingat perme, Tol. We love you.
See you soon.
See you soon, eh. Tina, I love you, Tin. Happy birthday kay Ninang.
Happy birthday po, Ninang.
Hi to Ninang.
Hi po.
We love you, Tol. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Mwah.
Bye.
Okay, go, Brie.
Happy birthday po.
Bronco, your turn.
Happy
Birthday pa day.
Happy birthday! We wish that all your heart's desire come true. We miss you. Happy birthday from Fort Wayne. Rock and roll.
That's true. Oh yeah, Johnny says, break to break, to break. Say to me, I'm a truck. It's a brutal rain. To the end, I'm a truck.
Oh, kita mo naka-80.
83! Happy birthday, Wewek!
Enjoy your day. Greetings from
Chicago.
The Bean. But here's some more happy and healthy years. We hope you enjoy your birthday. And we miss you.
We miss you guys. Happy 40th birthday.
Happy 40th
High
birthday.
five.
Woo! Woo!
Recording.
Happy
Hello, Bella.
From everyone here, Vancouver.
Yay! Come visit.
Happy 40th.
March 29, come visit.
Happy birthday.
Mag-lechon kami.
We love you.
Thank you, Ed. Thank you.
Take care. Kamusta na lang sa lahat? Bye. Happy 40th.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Wek.
Bye.
Bye.
Life begins.
At 40.
Happy birthday, Wek! Doon ko mapunit-igli sa Pilipinas. Maringaning yaong kamudyan sa Canada, bakong sa US. Anyway, digdi sa Pilipinas, garumayo ng pag-asa. Pero minsan nga ni araw kayan, magkulit mangyari ko digdi. Ha? Happy birthday, Wek!
Wek, all the best and enjoy your birthday. Sana next year tulo na ka mo ha.
Okay.
Wish you
Yes.
good luck and good health sa Indugabustian. Happy birthday!
Hi, happy birthday!
We love you!
Happy birthday, Wek Wek! Hello! Hello, Insan. Musta kayo dyan? Musta kayo ni Christine? Hope you're all doing well. I know you are, guys. So, yun. Nakikibati lang. Happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. So, thank you for reaching this age na masasabi natin na matanda ka na. Well, mas matanda ako sa'yo, so I know. So, expect mo nang lalabas yung mga kung ano-ano man sakit, joke. I pray na hindi. Pero, expect na natin. So, please be more careful and be healthy. Any advice, Jem?
God bless.
So, yun. So, sa 40th birthday mo, Wek, may share lang akong verse kay Jeremiah 29, verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. It means na bawat isa sa atin, may mga plans si Lord na the very best plan for all of us. So just we'll be praying for you guys. Be with God always. Please pray always. Please be safe always. And yeah, we wish you a very great birthday to come. And also, pasensya na, just a quick reminder, malabang kami this year. Gusto sana mag-visit ng Calgary, pero ongoing application namin for papuntang nomination at PR. Pero, most probably next year. But definitely, dadaanan ka na namin dyan sa Calgary. Kasi balita ko, maganda daw dyan eh. So, yun. So, yun lang yung isa. Tumatagal na yung message. Happy birthday ulit. And just message me for anything, okay? Alright, okay, bye-bye guys. Enjoy kayo dyan.
Hello, Wick. Happy 40th birthday. Grabe, madaliun lang. 40 years old ka naman pala. 10 years more, golden boy ka na. So, greetings for your birthday from us here in Thailand. Kang ginigirumdum ko, kang sadit ka pa. Mabuoton ka man kadto. Pero, kadtong mga, siguro mga 3 months old ka. Galing-aling man ako sa imo, garo newly graduated ako from college. Sarong beses, sabi ni mama mo, ngaya, Gina, palasan mo daw ngayon si Wiwik, si Bebe. Di iyo. Hanap ko man si nail cutter, pinalasan ta ka. Kundi, syempre, hubin pa man ako kadto, day pa ako tataong ataman ning aki, sigo man si palas. Tapos, mata ka baya, di mahiroon. Tapos bigla ka lang kagrit, nagpara ito pala, na kaiba si dikit mong laman sa kuko. Kaya nagparahibi ka. Sorry. Di nanggutan ako ni mama mo, nakulugan ka. So, yun. Kung nagadakula ka, mabuot ka man, kaya lang kang baby ka pa. Sige mong hibi. Siguro, natural man sa mga baby na may stage talaga kang buhay na itong nag-a-adjust pa man sa buhay sa luwas, sa kinaban. Sige ang hibi. Kaya, dyan nako sa imong pangaran na Wiwik. Dahil wik-wikon nga kadtong baby ka pa. Kaya, nadaradara mo hanggang ngunyan. Anyway, dyan garo sa Canada, bako naman Wiwik ang pangaran mo. Doon lang to sa Santa Cruz. Na ikang Wiwik. So, hangad ko, prayer ko na magkagwaman ka mo ning baby ni Tinay, nga ning ma-experience manindo kung paano magpadakula, kung ano ang joys and struggles and hardship kang nagpapadakula ning baby, kang may baby. So, desa nakita mo oras ning pag-asa, let's pray and mag-arang sa mahal na Diyos na mabiyayaan man kamo ning aki or mga aki. Anyway, with God nothing is impossible. And gift iyan, ang mga aki gift from God. And ang mga aki is a heritage from the Lord. So, sige lang, continue working to be healthy, ang hawak, ang mama, and preparation for the growth of the baby. And yan, di malingaw sa mahal na Diyos, maski ang kamo dyan. God is everywhere man, daw yung saan kitang panig kang mundo, or even sa panig kang universe. Dahil man halipot ang kamot ng mahal na Diyos na dahil kita maabot. So, God is everywhere. God is anywhere. God can see us. God can bless us and protect us. So, from us here in Thailand, happy 40th birthday. Birisi kaya ang pinsan nindo digdita. nagkaigwa kami ng bisita from Vietnam. Pilipino man siya. Kaya, baka dahil nakaarasikaso si iba, magpadala ng greetings sa imo. So, happy 40th birthday week. And cheers to many, many more blessed years to come to your life.
Wek, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw na to. Proud kami sa mga achievements mo sa buhay. God bless.
Tol, kamusta? Happy birthday. 40 ka na palan. Araw ka niyo. Sasabaton ta ng birthday mo. Unbanggi hanggang aga. Maluto kitang pato. Adubadong pato. 40 ka na palang tol. Kurang ka na. Bago ka na boy. Joke lang. Happy birthday hermano, otol, Brad, best friend, ano pa man, bandmate. Yun. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. And sana mag-alaga ka na ng baby mo. Ayo. Happy birthday. And alam mo na yan. I love you. Mwah. Chup chup. Love you tol. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Thanks.
Happy 40th birthday po sa imo, Kuya Wiwik. Yay! So, salamat po sa pagtaos ako ng opportunity na makapag-greet sa imo through Mama M na nag-request po na bation ka daaning happy birthday. So, I pray na magkaigo ka po ng good health and safety every day sa trabaho, kung saan ka man po nagduduman, and also blessings and favor from God na mapasay mo po kay Ate Tin and also to your family. Gusto ko lang pong i-share sa imo ang saro sa mga favorite Bible verses ko na mahanap sa Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Sabi po duman, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope in the future." So, God bless you po and enjoy your day, enjoy your celebration with your family, with your loved ones, and see you soon po in the future. So, greetings from Thailand, the land of smiles. Bye po!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Pre, happy birthday in Canada. Happy 40th birthday. Nabubula na. So, birthday po pala ng aking kaibigan na si Edmark. One of my humble, mababait talaga. As in, tipong, siya yung tipo sa grupo namin, yung tipo talagang hindi mo siya napaghihinalaan kasama sa kalokohan. Pero minsan siya pa nga namumuna. Pare, so siya yung tipo sa batch namin na kahit nahuli na, hindi siya paghihinalaan ng teacher. So ganun yung katinig si Edmark. Yan ang tatak Edmark. So pare, simple lang, wish ko sa'yo good health. At the same time, kung ano man yung mga wish mo sa buhay, na way matupad. For sure, walang imposible kay God. At the same time, wish ko din sa'yo na sana, kayo ni Tin makabuo na rin. Para kahit papano, hindi lang puro trabaho. Para kahit papano, merong diversion yung attention nyo. So, hoping magkana kayo ni Tintin ba rin. Yun ang wish ko siya yung ngayong birthday mo ngayon. So, Mark, what the ink. Happy birthday ulit. So, I miss you, Brad. Naway sa sunod mong birthday na mga susunod, may celebrate natin kasama. So, yan lang, Mark. So, keep safe. Happy birthday ulit. I miss you. I love you, Mark. Mama, chup chup.
Grabe yun,